I want to show you a bit about data view inside Map My Customers. Data view is a brand new feature inside of our platform, but quickly has become one of my favorite features to use. Not only because it's just fun to use, but because if you're an outside sales rep or manager, it could just be so quickly used to derive analytics and sales insights that you might have taken hours before to pull out of spreadsheets or CRM or similar. So let's jump right into it here. I want to show you a use case that you could actually use right out of the box here. So what I want to do is filter our map we've got by the competitor field, which is a custom field I've created in our backend. And I can just say, show me all the records on the map where competitor is known. And so now we can see this territory where these are accounts that have are using our competitor, right? So if I use the lasso tool, which is our next step here, and just circle this territory, what I get is an option to click data view, right? And when I click that, it's going to instantly break down and visualize some aggregate metrics about this territory, right? So I can quickly see, based on this competitor field, that Mohawk, more than any other competitor of ours, really has a stronghold in this market. And furthermore, I can actually take the next step and I can start to ask the question, well, how do I break into this market even more than I have today? So I'm going to exit lasso mode. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to filter this down to competitor equals Mohawk. And that's just going to show me the Mohawk accounts, right? I'll use the lasso tool one more time. I'll circle the lasso, or I'll circle these records. And what it's going to do is, I'm going to be able to click on a different field, and we're going to choose owner here. And it's going to break it down by rep, right? So what we're looking at very quickly in literally 60 seconds is all the accounts that we have yet to break into that have our competitor Mohawk, and that Catherine is the main sales rep that I can work with to try to break into those accounts and learn a bit about why we haven't been able to take more of that market. So that's just one of the use cases that you can use data view for. There's plenty of others. You can break down people's deals, etc. But this should hopefully be a jumping off point for you to explore around a bit more.